So I'm going to be uploading some tarot readings from here to my tarot channel, and you can follow it. It is Dark Haired Girl Archaeology. If you can find it, one of these days I'll put the link. Today we're going to shuffle some cards, and these cards are sayings of the Buddha. They're called Dharma cards by Prima Hemenway. Okay, so finding joy where there was fear, the master is liberated. Like a swan, the master has risen and flown an uncharted path in the sky. No need for riches. Nothing is accumulated, nothing is desired, and nothing is left behind. So these are exactly the cards that I thought I was going to draw. Busy yourself with lots of wealth, and you will never know what lies within. Empty your boat, seeker, empty your boat and ride on down the stream. Having lightened it, your boat will make its way. Throw out 5 obsessions and 5 longings, and let the 5 strengths come in. And when the last 5 are left behind, you have crossed the other side. Lighten your load. Stay away from distractions. Being unaware is just a distraction, right? We have nothing, and we're taking nothing with us. That's the truth of the matter, you guys. I know. And trying to get things for some reason, to spite somebody, or just because they said you couldn't do it. None of that matters. Empty your boat. Throw out the 5 obsession of vengeance. What else? Materialism, being right, distracting yourself from shit, the stuff that matters, with things that don't and that are fleeting. And I could not say it better than these cards, really.